Yo, what's up you guys, welcome back to another video. So today I just want to go through the comments. Some people asked me to do some breakdowns for them, so I'm gonna do those ones today. We got some news today, consumer confidence, GDP, so I'm gonna go through these ones probably tomorrow or the day thereafter in a separate video to cover this. But in this video I just want to go through these pairs that you guys have told me or asked me to look at for you, right? First question, first comment here is saying, I'm getting there, Mr. Rolio, you just make it simplest, you just make it the simplest thing to do. Break and retest, continue. I'm testing on a demo, I'm killing it, well done. From the markets from 3k to 50k, that's good. Here we go. Okay, it's the same person. Can you please analyze USDZAR? So I will take a look at USDZAR for you very quickly. So just purely based off the price action, we can obviously see this market over here printed what's known as an overextended information. After an overextended information, you normally expect a pullback to the left leg, which is what we got from here. We can expect a continuation. We also have the market that broke below this level of support, came back, tested it as resistance. We had an impulse. So after an impulse, you expect a correction. And the best way to do that is very easy. Take the Fibonacci from the high to the low, and you can see we had a perfect 0.50 pullback to determine where the market's going to go next. We just move the Fibonacci on the correction, and the -272 would be the take profit level, and that level also lines up perfectly with that previous level of resistance that is now acting as a level of support. Next one over here is recommended to trade on Mondays. I would personally not recommend you to trade on Mondays, and the reason for that is, think of it in this way, right? When you wake up in the morning, you first need time to actually get to yourself, you know, like you have to wake up. Normally when the market opens, you want to give it that at least that one day to at least, you know, to just wake up, basically, if I have to put it to you like that. So I always say Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, and Friday also, it's, you know, give it time to then now prepare to go to sleep once again. Bro, I just need to ask, is there a way to analyze indices like market milk? Strategy you showed us not too long ago. Thanks for that one. It helped me become consistently profitable. I'm happy to hear that. So you can use that same concept like I said there, because the DXY is negatively correlated. If you do see DXY is doing good, then that means you should be looking for any selling opportunities on indices, precious metals and commodities, I would believe as well. Can you break down GBPJPY and USDJPY? That is not a problem. Let's see what we got over here. This is just a completion of this W formation that we have over here. Sorry about that. Here we've got a completion of a W formation. Now after a W formation, you expect a pullback to the neckline. Now the neckline also serves as a previous level of resistance that got broken, which is now acting as a level of support. So if you look here, you can see the market printed support, broke below support, came back, tested the resistance, broke above resistance. All of that resistance is now turned support. We are also currently faced over here with previous support, now resistance. What I do expect over here is a slightly higher move and then a pullback, because we do have some liquidity that the market needs to fill there. Well, the market has still a little bit of a wick that it needs to fill in there before continuing that move to the downside. And then USDJPY would probably have the same price action, yeah, kind of. But for this, I would probably wait for the daily close. The daily close will give us will give us some certainty. The market did break below support, came back, tested it as resistance. As you can see here, we're still trading in bullish territory. I would say if we do get a daily close above this level, we are going higher without a doubt. And then from there, get a potential pullback. But with that, I'm more than happy to do another update on that as well. Can I ask, do you only look at indices and gold? No. Well, what I am going to start doing is that every week I do these breakdowns on the weekend. I'm going to pin the comment so that you guys can just let me know what pairs you want me to cover in the next video. So I'm going to have a pin comment where you can name the pairs that you want me to cover. so then I can do a follow-up breakdown the next day like this one and go through all of that stuff for you guys. Why don't you go deeper into timeframes to see what's happening? I'm a new trader. Is it fine for me to trade the Nasdaq and the Dow Jones using only weekly and daily? So no, I've replied to the comment. I would suggest that you go through the content that I've made before for beginners. I've also made a 4-part video series on how I go into depth with the way I trade and how you can go on to lower time frames as well. The reason why I don't want to do it on this video in particular, that's because it's going to take me a long time, and I can see that I almost said the life expectancy, but I can see the average view time on these videos. It is not that long, so I'm trying to just get it done while people are still focused on it, because sometimes when the videos are too long, people tend to just skip through it and then they miss it. So that's why I've made a separate video on that as well. So the gentleman made a suggestion, and then okay, cool. And then we've got Kapaluka Kotendo saying, you are just playing with words, teach people the real thing, not wasting people's time. Now, my friend, you might think I don't know anything about you, right? But I don't understand how you are saying worst thing, especially being a doctor from Zambia. Now, I'm not sure if you are a doctor, or if you are like Dr. Matthew or Dr. Malinga. So, before you comment anything, I would suggest, especially you being a grown-up, there's a groot man, my bro. A grown man from Zambia. You're from Lusada, whatever the place's name is. You're a doctor and you can't even spell. And you come here typing like a 5-year-old. Yeah, my friend. Tap out your fan. Don't come here with your negativity, my friend. Okay? I would suggest that you focus on being a doctor. Whatever doctor that is. Dr. Malinga. Dr. Matthew. I don't know. But don't come here, baby. You're wasting your time with me. I'm just gonna make fun of you. Okay, and then please fix your hair also while you're at it. Guys, thank you for your time, and as always, cheers for ears.